Hi there. I wanted to provide a quick recap of our daily schedule and the expectations throughout the day so we can continue to encourage our students to work independently. Here on our homeroom Canvas page, you can always find a link to our daily schedule. And you can see here on Canvas, we always have live links that are going to take you directly where the students need to be. To support students in navigating their day independently, I highly suggest utilizing the alarms on the iPad, which can be accessed in the top right-hand corner of the iPad. Just drag down and select the clock and help your child set alarms for each time that they need to be doing something throughout the day, especially if it's coming back from a break. That's going to help them stay on schedule, and if we can all stay on schedule together, that's going to help the flow of our day. So I suggest setting a timer for 8:10 a.m. and that is because we begin our community meeting at 8:15. I am on Zoom ready to start letting people in as soon as we approach this time. So if everyone is logged in ready to go, we'll be able to start our day on time. Again, setting a timer for 8:10 so that your child is at their workspace. They check to make sure they have all of their supplies. They're ready to start their morning by 8:15 and log into community meeting. That link can be found right here, and there's also a link on the home page. It is the same Zoom link whenever they're logging in with myself, Ms. Bernhard. We will be together from 8:15 to 8:50 for our community meeting time, and from 8:50 to 9 o'clock, students can take a quick break. I usually guide students to set an alarm on their phone, on their iPad at this time for 10 minutes so that they're back at their workspace at 9 o'clock. We will begin working independently. That means students will be working on their own and not logging into Zoom from 9 to 9:30 for science and social studies. Social studies is what has started. Science will start after Labor Day. So now students can access social studies from Canvas and complete their assignments, and I'll show you how to navigate that in another video. I will be available during this time for support on Zoom, so if you have a question or if students are having trouble navigating through social studies, hop on Zoom and be able to ask some questions, and then once everyone is working independently in social studies, I'll use this time for check-ins to check in with students on their work. I suggest setting an alarm again at 9:25. That will indicate that students should be wrapping up their social studies work and submitting their assignments and getting ready to join Zoom again. Again, here's the live link, and it's also on the homepage on literacy. So that they're logged in and ready for literacy. From this 9:30 to 10 o'clock time, we'll be going through the previous day's lesson. So this week, as we're acclimating to working independently on Canvas, we'll go through step by step together. But as students get independent and we're completing their assignments each day, we'll review the previous day assignments and then preview what they need to work on independently. Students then take a break from 10 o'clock to 10:15. I would suggest again setting an alarm just before 10:15 so that students can find their Connect schedule and log in. The Connect schedule can be found right here. It's also on the homeroom page, and if you're on this daily schedule, each of these links take them where they need to be for each day. Again, that's at 10:15, so make sure that your child has an alarm set and they are at their iPad ready to go and join Connect at that time. After their synchronous time with their teacher, they'll be given independent assignments to complete for Connect until 10:55. And then you can see here they're on a lunch activity break from 10:55 to noon. I suggest that students have a lunch at this time and take an activity break that would be kind of similar to a recess time where they're up, moving around, getting some physical activity before they're ready to sit down and begin their afternoon. At 12 o'clock, I would suggest setting an alarm for 11:55 to indicate that that lunch and activity break is over. They're navigating to their math course on Canvas, finding Miss McGee's Zoom link, and joining Miss McGee for live math instruction from noon to 12:30. There's small group time for math, and independent work time is 12:30 to 2 o'clock. After independent work time and small groups for math, students end their day again with literacy. And you can see here, this is their independent work time where they're navigating to Canvas and completing the lessons and assignments on their literacy Canvas course. Small groups will begin on Wednesday, August 26th, and I will communicate your child's small group time in a Class Dojo message. students will log on for their small group time, and then when they're not with me for a small group, they're on Canvas working independently. Please refer to the video that walks you through lesson 1 so that you can see how your child is supposed to go through step by step and access their independent work on Canvas. All assignments should be submitted by 3:30 for the day. If there is an issue with submitting assignments, please reach out to me via the Class Dojo message so that I am aware. I hope that this has been helpful in taking you step by step through our schedule to assist students in working independently throughout the day. As always, please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions or support, either via Class Dojo message or take advantage of those times that I will be on Zoom answering questions. Today, Tuesday, August 25th, I will be on Zoom from 2 to 3:30 to answer any questions. And I will also be on Zoom during the 9 to 9:30 Science and Social Studies time. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if there's anything else that I can do to help support your student be independent while working during our remote time. Thank you.